Douglas Yaskawa here at FabTech, and I'm at the Amada booth. And by looking around, you can see that Amada is shining here at FabTech. They have got a fantastic booth here. And I have come over to meet with Derek Flores. So he is the robotics bending automation product manager.
Something like that, yeah.
Close to that, yeah. So
it's a mouthful. It really is.
So he's going to take us through what you're showcasing here, and also talk about the partnership between Amada and Yaskawa.
Correct,
so with
correct.
that, take it away.
Hello, nice to meet you. Like Doug just said, my name is Derek Flores. I am the product manager for bending automation at Amada. What we're seeing here, what we have in front of you is we have an electric brake in conjunction with a 10-kilogram robot that is a 6-axis robot on a traveling axis that is made by Yaskawa. Amada has worked with Yaskawa for many, many years, and I will expand on that a little bit. What you're seeing right now is you're seeing a automatic tool feature where we have the robot placing the tools into the press brake. In a second, you're going to see that the robot's going to go grab an end of our tool, and it'll start processing a piece of sheet metal. So, like you said, this is I'm sorry, the word I'm looking for is partnership with Yaskawa. What we did was we knew that we wanted to go with a design like this because the 6-axis robot gives us so much flexibility and articulation that allows us to process sheet metal parts. One of the things that I've always been very grateful for is our systems. A lot of our systems were designed in conjunction with Yaskawa. It was a partnership where, if you notice right now, our back gauge system is working in conjunction with the robot. It's actually feeding information to let us know that we are at target. You can see that right now, as well as that function you just saw right now where the bending robot is actually following with the bending of the part itself. The reason why I mention that is because that is actually a second feature that was developed in partnership with Yaskawa, where we're able to follow the parts, which gives us a lot of better accuracy and repeatability. And the third function that was actually developed with Yaskawa is sometimes when the parts hang around the punch and you have to follow the ram up, what happens is you have to follow the ram up. That is a feature that is very difficult to do with when you try to integrate a robot to a press brake. Since it was developed together with Yaskawa, we can actually follow up with the ram and then push the part off of the punch tip to get the part outside of the press brake and move on to the next stage. The reason why I wanted to mention those three things is because that partnership that I talked about has allowed us for those three features, which are very critical when it comes to automated bending. Those were incorporated into the drive. It allows us to be able to process sheet metal like this. One of the things I would like to point out is this is the part that we are actually forming. It is a 12 bend part, and you can see how close and how tight everything is. This is something that we would not want a human operator to do, which is what lends itself very well to bending automation.
There's no way you'd want a person holding that. No way.
No. So this has been a very good partnership. I love Yaskawa robots. They do a very fantastic job. Works very well with that's fully integrated into our bending cell, and it's been a great partnership.
Great. So I mean, right now, essentially, because of that partnership and working through, it's just one machine.
It's one machine.
Two components, but it is very much just one complete machine, completely communicating with each other. What a fantastic setup. Thank you, Derek, so much for taking us through that. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome.